What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sons TV. You feel me? Back at it again with another video for y'all. You feel me? So as y'all can see, we got the big cat out, and I already know y'all know this, but we got the RGB DRLs that we installed in this bad boy. You feel me? Let me show y'all how they look. So we got the DRLs. It's the boards that go inside of the headlight compartment, and it basically turn the ones that be white to red. So your boy been working on the car. I ain't gonna lie, I have not posted in a week, and it's just because of work, and I was trying to get these lights and stuff straight. It was a pain installing these lights. You gotta take the bumper off, take the lights out, put them in the oven, or use a heat gun to break the seal, take them apart, install the board, seal them back up. You feel me? Put the bumper stuff back on. So it was a lot of work to install them, but we got them installed. And this baby is looking right. Let me get y'all a little walk around. Show y'all boy how she coming along. Finna have the cleanest Challenger cat in Birmingham. And I did also, I put some grill lights, like some RGB lights in the grill, like the upper part of the grill and the lower. And I also got some lights that's in the hood vents, but I gotta wait on them to send me the Bluetooth controller, where it's the connector that's gonna hook up to the battery so they can get power. When I ordered them, I had forgot to order it, but they finna send your boy another controller, so we can go ahead and have that baby looking demonic. You feel me? But enough of that talking. We finna go ahead and get into the video, y'all. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? So your boy can go ahead and get monetized on YouTube. And we finna go ahead and get into that bit. Alright, y'all. So we finna go ahead and get into that video. But first, let me put on that down seatbelt before I forget. I think they finna have a soccer game over there. It's too cold for all that. Waiting on these cars to get out that bit. Are we good? Go real slow with these speed bumps. And as usual, your boy still got ball tires, so we can't go too crazy. I've been trying to calm down on the crazy driving anyway. But y'all seem to like it, so I don't know what to say about that. Y'all like when I turn up the block. It bitch still sound good though. Really in consideration of going catless. I just need to go with my first mind and go ahead and do it, and stop looking at people on the internet saying that you ain't supposed, if you go catless, you have to get a tune because it'll produce too much heat or something. But I hear a lot of people say that it actually helps the exhaust get rid of a lot of heat. So I don't know. I know when I went catless, I ain't had no problems. I had got the O2 spacers so that I wouldn't get a check engine light, and I was good. And that car used to scream. And I know this is scream for a fact. That baby gonna be screaming too loud. Get some downshift for y'all. Let me let the window down a little bit. And another thing, do Chargers sound different than the Challengers? I feel like all Chargers and Challengers sound a little different. And I don't know what it is. Like, what make them sound different? Or unless I'm tripping. You feel me? I might just be tweaking. Come on, like. go ahead and let my tag plate up for the police try to mess with me. I don't got no time to be getting pulled over again. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, I do got some dang. Ooh, y'all heard that pop. Got a little sideways for y'all. I told you I ain't gonna do too much. I'm keeping my word. Like I said, my tires is so bald. And they look chewed up and shit. Oh yeah, like I was saying, I do got some more mods coming for the car. They should be here by next week. So I'm gonna do an installation video of those mods. It ain't nothing that's gonna take too long. I'm gonna do a 2-in-1 mod install for y'all. Damn, now it wanna rain? It wasn't supposed to rain till later on. I'm gonna let the windows up a little bit though. But yeah, I got them mods coming, and as I said, I do got them grill lights coming. I already got them installed, like in the hood and in the grill. I just can't connect them to anything yet until they send me the controller. So they've been coming along pretty good. After that, I'll focus on my route. I might wait till it get a little warmer before I do my route. And then I'm thinking about getting a carbon fiber steering wheel. If y'all think that'll be hard. And also let me know what other type of videos y'all want me to do. I ain't really been able to collab with nobody because everybody seem to be having car problems. Or they be busy or something. Either I'm at work and they off, or they off and I'm at work. Boy, them downshifts be aggressive. Dang, my boys, my phone fell off the mount, you feel me? Your boy was getting active though. I'm not doing no more sliding. I'm gonna fuck around and be on the side of the road on a flat. We'll get some more tires soon though. What that boy in that BMW doing? I thought that boy wanted smoke. We gotta be careful around that bitch. The police be lurking. But I do, aside from the lights being a pain to install. It took me like 8 hours to get everything done. I'm talking about my body was hurting. I would never ever install them again. I just like doing stuff myself because I don't know. I don't take my car to no shop for that because sometimes they be messing stuff up. You feel me? When you do it yourself, you know, you make sure everything is as best as it can be. That was actually my first time taking a bump off. I was always scared to take my bump off because I didn't think I could put it back on, or I wouldn't put it back on there right, and your boy hop in the car and that bitch fall off. And you know, them Hellcat bumpers is not cheap. Plus, you had to get that bitch painted. That bitch be getting active in the cold weather. Can't disturb the church. Guess we'll bend this right. I really forgot what's down here. Come on, folks. Get out the way. Big mama ain't coming. We in Brain. Trenches. I don't think Brian got a real police department. Them niggas like securities. We don't count them in no police. I usually don't go no week without recording y'all. I know y'all was like, damn, what happened to that boy Sean's TV? Work has been killing me off, and it has been so cold. I'm talking about so cold and busy this week. I was supposed to be making this video actually yesterday, but after it took so long to install these lights, I was like, we'll just wait till tomorrow morning. It sounds like somebody shooting a Drake with these pops. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Well, it's not that aggressive. I don't got no verbal tune in there. That boy got a matte gold wrap on that Beamer. Speaking of wraps, do y'all think a purple, like the a matte purple vape wrap would look good on here? It's like the camouflage. I never seen nobody with it on a Challenger, and I think it'll look hard, and it'll be different. They're just getting a basic color. Look at me from the midst of downturn. Steering wheel lock, flying everywhere. But look at these folks, police station. What is this? These boys ain't on nothing. They might well close that bit down. Well, I think that's the police station. Well, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. We had to let y'all boys see how the cat looking. You feel me? Give y'all boys something to watch. I know, cause like I said, I ain't posting nothing in a week. This video went, you feel me, turned up like I wanted to be, cause I don't got no tires and I have not found none. So it's just one of them type of videos. But we will be turning up the footage probably next week. I should be able to find me some tires to slide in next week. And you feel me? We're going to give y'all boys what y'all want. But if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? We so close to getting monetized. We really waiting on YouTube to go ahead and approve us. You feel me? And until next time, that'll be it. Peace.